Hey everyone, this is Vanessa from the Pudgy Rabbit, and today I'm going to show you how to do the Picot stitch. This is a simple stitch that works up quickly, and you can use it to add a little something extra to the edging for your crochet projects. So let's get started. So for the Picot stitch, the first thing we're going to do is chain 3. So I'm going to yarn over, pull through, first chain, second chain, and my third chain, and then I'm going to insert my hook back into that first chain that I made. So counting back 2, 3, 2, 1. This is the first chain. Insert my hook there, and then I'm just going to make a slip stitch into that first chain. And there I've made one Picot stitch. And then in the next stitch after, I'm just going to make a single crochet stitch. And then I'm going to work 2 more single crochets. Before making another Picot stitch. So again, I'm going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to insert my hook back into that first chain that I made, and then make a slip stitch. And there I've made another Picot stitch. And now I'm just going to continue working all the way around, making a Picot stitch every 3 single crochet stitches. Depending on your design and pattern, you can also switch up the number of stitches you make in between each Picot stitch. You can also adjust the number of chains you make for the Picot stitch. Many patterns have you do a chain of 3, but you could experiment and chain 4 or chain 2 for the stitch if you want a taller or shorter Picot stitch. Finishing up the round. And that's how you do a Picot stitch. I hope you guys found this tutorial helpful. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know what you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.